going on, guys? Back with an update video about the Yamaha Exciter 440s. This is the red and white one. I took the air box off and everything, sprayed the pull rope. The more I keep pulling on it, the better the pull rope's working, so that's good. Still gonna have to change out that and all that because I got the better rubber boot over there. And then I gotta clean the carburetor. I'm gonna take it off and hope to get all the cables to work good, because they still kind of don't work good. They stick open and don't go back down. But I got this one to run on spray. Third pull, she fired right up. Let's see if she'll fire right up first spot. A little bit of starter fluid in there. Hold my phone somehow. Hold up, guys. Watch this. She runs. She runs pretty good on spray. I mean, that's pretty good. So I know that one runs. Guess I could dig into this one real quick, see if it runs, and figure out which carburetor is the best candidate for cleaning. Figure out the throttle cable situation. And then all I had to do is go outside, pull some skis off of a part sled to put skis on this one. And yeah. Oh, and I noticed the gas tank cap is broken. It's supposed to have a little hooky boy like this, so it open and close. They're a little tough because I've been sitting, but this one does not have that, so that kind of sucks. But anyways, I'll just steal a gas tank either off of this sled, and we're gonna make this part sled, or I'm gonna steal it off of one of the other ones if there's a better tank. Those tanks will be easier to get to. Then I just gotta figure out how to get this tank off and figure that out. But yeah, guys, this is just a short update video. I haven't even posted the other video yet. I'm making all these in one day and I'll post them. So I have no clue what YouTube channel this is all being posted to either, so that's cool. But yeah, you'll see this somewhere. Mainly it's just a video I'm making these videos just for myself mainly. Just that way can see this later down the road and see how it was. But yeah, oh, here's some extra belts I was talking about. Look at this, man. 3 extra belts. 2 were brand new, still in packaging, so that's cool. And then some kind of gaskets in here, engine gaskets. Don't know what they go to on the engine, but I guess I have them if I want to rebuild one of the engines, but I don't really need to. This one runs anyway, so okay. So maybe in my next video I'll have it all put together. Maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, she runs.